Imagine uncovering a hidden masterpiece after 200 years. That's exactly what happened with a 17th century painting, buried under layers of yellowed varnish. 2 centuries ago, someone coated a 1618 oil portrait of an unknown lady with a thick layer of paint sealant. Time turned this protective finish into a discolored veil, hiding the true beauty beneath. Art expert Philip Mould shared footage of the careful removal of this varnish, revealing vibrant colors and stunning details that had been concealed for so long. Philip Mould, host of the BBC One show Fake or Fortune, described it as a remarkable Jacobean reemergence after 200 years of yellowing varnish. The transformation is truly breathtaking. The portrait, known as Woman in Red, depicts a lady who was 36 years old at the time. Though most details about her are lost, the restoration brings her image back to life. Art restoration can sometimes go wrong, but Mould's expertise ensured the lush classical painting's colors were revealed without damage. The process is painstaking, involving delicate techniques to avoid harming the original paint. Each stroke of removal uncovers more of the portrait's hidden beauty. The restored painting now stands as a testament to the skill and dedication of art restorers and the enduring allure of classical art.